Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Lately we finished developer Lee software. As long as you use one cable and one our tablet, you can diagnose Lee Auto. Let's try this car.
Step 1. Move the front passenger seat all the way back to create space for removal. Use the vehicle's central control system to perform a full power down. Open the hood and disconnect the high voltage interlock plug. Then go to the trunk and disconnect the 12V battery to ensure the vehicle is completely powered off. Next, remove the front passenger seat to locate the XCU module. Unplug the original wiring harness and connect the dedicated diagnostic cable. Then reconnect the 12V battery and high voltage interlock plug. Press the brake pedal to power the vehicle back on. Connect the E2PRO to the diagnostic interface via VCI. Note, Lee Auto vehicles are equipped with 2 OBD ports. The diagnostic coverage from both ports combined includes all systems of the vehicle. Select the Lee Auto L7 model on the E2PRO and enter the diagnostic software interface. Input the activation code as prompted. Typically, the activation code is provided with the dedicated Lee Auto adapter and is valid for one device only. Once activated, select the correct OBD port type OBD1 or OBD2 based on your connection. Then tap Automatic Scan. To initiate a topology scan, the system will clearly display the status and network structure of each control module. You can view and clear diagnostic trouble codes and also read live data streams from each module, giving you a comprehensive view of the vehicle's operating status and overall system health.
Hello, everything is done successfully, and this function is very powerful and successfully in this car. If you want to know more information, please contact our XTOOL.